I think I could easier paddle this 12-foot Swell Scupper 12 better than most other brand 14-foot kayaks. I'm going to easily be able to paddle against this current, and I want to show that to you now. So we got outgoing tide, we got wind hitting me in the face, and we got a little bit of chop. You can see it's pushing me backwards. Not even a challenge. This thing just glides across the water so well, and you're able to really get a high angle paddle stroke. So you'll notice I'm able to paddle with my blade close to the side of the kayak because they carved the sides out. This is a fishing kayak you can actually paddle. It's designed for performance. There's enough momentum, even with a light paddling, that you can coast for like 60, 70 feet easily. Because a lot of sit-on-top kayaks have so many scuppers, and the way they have their scuppers, it slows down the kayak. These scupper plugs here actually cover the scupper holes. And so when you're not wanting to drain water from the cockpit area here, the scupper plugs actually plug the scupper holes and allow you to get better performance and speed. So Swell wanted to create a kayak that was stable but fast. So they made a kayak that was only 28 inches wide. But to make it stable, they had to make it so that you sit lower in the kayak and the footwells are actually below the water line. So if water comes into the kayak, into the footwells, it was going to be hard to drain. So they came up with a scupper plug which can pop down into the water, and you'll see there it has little vents, and it will suck the water out of the footwells while you're paddling. And then when you're done paddling, or when you're slowing down, you can actually pull the scupper up, and that's going to allow you to paddle faster. I'm able to wrap the seat around me. So they got these little tags here. You pull, and it wraps the seat around you. So like I got a very solid connection with the seat. I feel very connected to this kayak. Pair that with the really low footwells, and this kayak feels like a glove. It paddles so well, and you can control it so well. I mean, to me, I feel like the kayak market kind of went away from performance and was just trying to sell people on bells and whistles. And the problem is, the bells and whistles all look pretty, but if you can't get to the fish, it's pointless. Oh yeah. This is a kayak that can actually get you to the fish. This is a kayak that can get you to remote areas that you never previously were able to discover. This is a kayak that's going to take you out on adventures. Maybe you're going to do kayak camping. You know, another one. But this is an adventure kayak. It's an all-around great 12-foot kayak that outperforms many 14-foot kayaks. And the best part is, it's going to be way more, you know, portable. I'm going to easier be able to store it. I'm easier going to be able to throw it in the back of a truck or on a roof rack. You know, with a 14-foot kayak, that extra 2 feet, it gets challenging. This kayak just glides. Watch. I'm still gliding. Still gliding. Once I stop paddling, even if I'm paddling at a slow cadence, I'm able to coast with this kayak probably 60, 70 feet, I'd say. If I didn't have such, you know, gusts of breezes, I'd be coasting more straight. But